Hello and welcome to my channel Khan Marketing. In this video I am going to show you how you can use hashtags to your YouTube video so that you can get more views. But before starting out this video, if you do not know about my channel, then it is all about money making tips, digital marketing, becoming an entrepreneur, how to start your journey from home and leave 9 to 5 job, and also I will show you different case studies here. So if you are interested in those things, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon button to get notified when I create new videos for you. So let's get started. Here are the things that I will cover in this video. What are hashtags? How to use those hashtags? How you can get more views? Guidelines to follow. What are hashtags? A word or phrase preceded by a hash sign is called hashtag. So this is the hash sign. If some word you have written like called and before call there is a hash sign, then this word is called now hashtag. You are similar with the word tags. Tags are just like keywords that you are using on the YouTube and some other places, and if that keyword and you place the hash sign before that keyword, but keep remember that your keyword shouldn't have any space between any words, so it become a hashtag. It is a type of tag used on social networks such as Twitter and other micro blogging services. After getting popular on Twitter, and now YouTube has also offered this option on their platform as well. How to use those hashtags? So just I'm going to show you how you can place your hashtag so that it will be shown on your video. So let's suppose this is my video and this is my last video that I have created for this channel, and you are seeing that it is all about Fiverr, and I have created hashtags Fiverr, hashtag Fiverr strategy, Fiverr 2019. So these three tags are displayed here, and if you wanted to place like tags on that location, then just open your video and move to the description box, and in description box I have mentioned three tags there like hash and Fiverr word, so it becomes one hashtag, hash and Fiverr strategy. Please make sure there is no space between the keywords, and Fiverr 2019. So I have put three tags there. You can place those tags at anywhere in the description box. You can place on the upper section, you can place in the middle section, and you can place in the at the end of your description, and whatever section you will display, and YouTube will pick up those hashtags and it will be displayed on your video. But keep remember that you cannot place more than 15 tags. Even you have placed 10 or 12 tags, then Google will YouTube will only spot the most relevant ones and it will show the most relevant tags on your video. So generally 5 or 4 to 5 hashtags are good, and always place your relevant tags there. This is a must situation. At the last slide I will show you a few of the guidelines, but these two things are most important. Just do not place more than 15 tags, but on the safer side I just recommend you to place not more than 5 to 6 tags, and Google will YouTube will only show 3 tags and the most relevant tags on your video. So let's move to next slide. How you can get more views. Now you may be thinking that using those hashtags, what are the benefits we will get? So just look at the video. Let's suppose you have used Now let's suppose you have used tags for your video. Then if someone click on that tag, then that tag will be opened in the YouTube search box. So it means that if someone has clicked on a tag and it will open up in a YouTube search box and your video has the related tags, then you have a high chance that your video will also be displayed there. So it is an extra feature, like people who are clicking on those tags, and if they are searching videos through those tags, and let's suppose your tags are matching with the hashtag that person who has searched in the YouTube, then you have a high chance that your video could also be shown in the suggested YouTube search section. Like if I just click on the Fiverr strategy, then you can see that YouTube has opened that tag in the search box, and if you have used the related tags, then there is a chance you can see your videos here. This is how people can find your videos, and this is how when they find it, definitely they will visit your video and you can increase your views. Even you may not see result very within 1 or 2 days, but with the passage of time, as the system will grow, then you will see results within 1 month or 1.5 months. So keep tagging your videos using hashtags on your videos. It will definitely give you benefit in the future. Let's move to next slide. Guidelines to follow. This is very important, and if you don't follow these guidelines, then you are risking big time. So these are simple to follow guidelines. Just follow those guidelines, and I have just moved to the Google official site, and these are the guidelines from the Google. Use hashtags for video search. Hashtag use policies, no spaces. So as I already told you that just type hash and your keywords. If you have more than one words, then just combine those words into a single word. Over tagging, already I have told you, you cannot write more than 15 hashtags. So if a video has more than 15 hashtags, we will ignore all hashtags on that video. Over tagging may result in the removal of your video from your uploads or from the search. So this is the thing that I have written on that section. Misleading content. So already I have guided you that your hashtag should be related to your video. If you are just using misleading tags, then you have a chance that your video will get decrease in the rank in this YouTube search. Harassment, hate speech, sexual content, vulgar language, non-hashtags. So you all need to follow those guidelines, and you cannot use hashtags in the form of sexual content or hate speech and vulgar language and like that. Keep related tags, make tags 5 to 6 tags, and do not use any abusive or sexual content. Just use natural and related tags, and you will see the benefits in the upcoming months. I hope you like this video. If you have any question in your mind, please ask me in the comment section, and I hope you like it. Please click the like button. Thank you.